So this is a video about YouTube, and we're on YouTube, bizarrely enough, the secrets of it. So in the house, last Christmas got a coffee machine. So it's not like a kettle, it's a great machine, similar you'd get in a cafe or a restaurant. But you need to descale it, so something needs to get done. I have no clue how to do it, but then through watching a simple video, you need tablets, you need a cover, and you just really hold the button in for 30 seconds and it starts making weird noises, and then it fixes it. So a red light comes on and then it's removed once you do it. So we had no idea how to do it, but through one simple video within 20 minutes we knew exactly what to do. And it's a bit like YouTube thing. We post videos, don't get views, don't get subscribers, don't get clicks, don't get sales, something's going wrong. So there is a secret behind it all in every traffic method. So here this guy is really good, how he earns 10,000 a month. He doesn't have to show his face on YouTube. He doesn't have to know a lot about marketing. So it does cost to do this, but it's like most of these guys, the big sales page, as they always have, give a lot of the background of who they are, their results as well. And if you don't know about this side of it, this is out with sales, which makes it really good. When you get so many subscribers, I believe it's 500 to 1,000, and so many watch hours, you are paid by YouTube out with you selling anything. So that's why there's people doing YouTube videos, but they're not really selling any products. So how do they make money? Well, this is how they do make money. So sometimes I think, well, they should be selling something as well, because then you're getting two revenues, but they don't. And then here's some of his students. They've took his methods, his training, and it's through YouTube secrets. So that's really what the sales page is, and it goes on and on as it normally does with these products. So I thought there was, yep, so I thought there was a video and there wasn't. So here's a wee bit about it, and let's just take a listen and we'll come back probably just in a few minutes.
Imagine receiving a regular monthly payment straight into your bank account from YouTube. Imagine receiving a regular monthly payment straight into your bank account from YouTube. And imagine if you can enjoy those monthly paydays spending just about 30 minutes a week doing something which is great fun. Now, too good to be true? Well, I would agree with you until it happened to me. You see, I actually do receive an average of $10,000 a month paid directly into my bank account as regular as clockwork by YouTube. And here's the best bit. I don't have to mess around shooting videos. Instead, YouTube allows me to plunder their massive stocks of certain types of video and use any of the footage I like to make new videos. And that's child's play to do, because YouTube has an amazing video editor right there on their site, complete with free music for your new video. Now, I said this was great fun. Now, it makes sense really, because the more videos YouTube have, the more advertising they can show, so the more money they make. And that's how you get paid. Because the videos carry paid advertising from which you receive a nice slice of what the advertisers have to pay straight into your bank account every month like clockwork. And with the videos and the video editor both being free, that lovely commission is all yours to keep. And if you're thinking I'm some sort of Superman and you wouldn't be able to copy my success, check out the testimonials from hundreds of our members just like you, who had zero experience and no technical knowledge, but is now making thousands of dollars each month with YouTube. Now, I've been very careful to pace this program, so it's perfect for beginners as well as more experienced folks. So whether you're a total YouTube rookie and want to zoom straight to YouTube Gold from the get-go, or maybe you're an experienced operator wanting to take your results to the next level, then you can quickly discover for yourself how much profitable fun this is. So what are you waiting for? Start your trial today and have instant access to all of my secret step-by-step video tutorials to guarantee your success. You'll also have unlimited private one-on-one consultations with me. Yep, that's right, I will personally hold you by the hand and make sure you make money with my system. Now, because I teach and mentor everyone that joins, spots are limited. So don't wait, join now and start making massive cash with YouTube today.
So that's it. So kind of no-brainer, as they say. So take a look at the link in the description, and also our free community or free business. Well, the bootcamp is you can be a partner with us, which does cost, but so this is quite good. It's just $1 and it's a 7-day trial. So if you so then you get into it and then you can purchase it. So take a look at it, and we'd love to see you there.